In this video, we will show the best face makeup products available to buy. At number 10. Biotique Bio Fruit Face Pack. This luxurious depigmentation pack is blended with the juices of pineapple, tomato, lemon and papaya fruit to visibly lighten skin for a fairer, flawless look. At number 9. Neutrogena Deep Clean Foaming Cleanser. It is long-lasting oil control. For normal to oily skin, it is oil-free and suitable for all skin types. At number 8. Garnier Skin Naturals BB Cream. Garnier BB Cream is a daily all-in-one moisturizer for women. Brightens skin and gives it an even skin tone. Gives 8-hour moisturization. At number 7. Generic Makeup Cosmetic Face Powder Brush. It has compact design and portable lightweight. Convenient for carrying and storage. Great for liquid foundation, advanced artificial Persian hair. At number 6. Savannah Shimmer Highlighter. It is suitable for all types of skin. Create a radiant glow with this illuminating powder. Nourishes and hydrates the skin. At number 5. LCC Gold Facial Kit. The facial helps in retaining moisture in the skin as well as increasing flexibility and smoothness, nourishes the skin to give it that natural glow. At number 4. Biotique Bio Papaya Revitalizing Tan-Removal Scrub. This revitalizing tan removal scrub is blended with pure papaya fruit. Dissolve dead surface cells. Unclog pore openings and smooth the way for clear skin to the surface. At number 3. Wow Aloe Vera Multipurpose Beauty Gel. It is used as a daily moisturizer for face, skin, hair, moisturizing after shave lotion for men and women, loaded with nutrients such as vitamins A, C, E, B12 folic acid and much more. At number 2. Lakme Radiance Complexion Compact. It is enriched with vitamin E and C. This Lakme compact powder is sure to nourish and moisturize your skin. At number 1. Maybelline New York Liquid Foundation. It provides coverage for a wide array of skin tones. Use the foundation's buildable coverage for a flawlessly matte, natural looking